guys, I am Sadip Chakravarti once again with a new video in my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to talk about a new plugin. That plugin that will required when you are preparing a website and the website is not complete yet, and you want to flash a message to those peoples who are trying to open your website, and you want to flash a message like your website is under the construction mode. So for that, a very nice plugin is available in your WordPress vault, or like your WordPress repository. So first of all, I want to mention that you should update your WordPress site each and every time when the corresponding message will be flashed in your screen, so that to get rid of those like hacking kind of things. I have also one update here, and I need to install that update. So it's very necessary to get the newest version or the latest version. So you have a latest version of WhatsApp feature security update will apply theoretically. So reinstall now, and there is also an update for my theme. So after reinstalling this, I will attempt this one, so that my site will be up to date with the latest and newest features related to security and other things. Now again I will get back to my dashboard, and there is also one update available. Then I will reinstall my plugin, select all, and update themes. This will update my theme into the latest version from 15.15 to 10. So all I need to say is you have to be up to date with all the latest and newest versions. So let's get back to my topic. In this topic I am going to explain you about a plugin that that will show that your website is like in construction mode, and when someone opens your site, a proper message will appear that your site is under the construction mode. So wait for some time till the site till the work of site will be completed properly. So all you need to do is you have to press this option called add new. Then what you have to search is WP construction mode, construction code, WP construction code. This will be the word that will provide with the plugin. I will install this one, and once it will be installed, I have to activate as usual what I have done in my previous plugins or previous videos. Now this option is flashing here, WP maintenance. What you have to do is you have to go to the setting option, and you have to enable this mode. Like, yes, this will enable the enable mode, and you have to give a proper title that please wait for some more time, or you can say site is under construction. We will get back once we are completely ready. Thanks for your patience. That what I need to flash on my screen when someone try to attempt to log in into my website. So nothing more to add here. Enable newsletter and then save changes. You can customize more, but what my intention is only to show you that how to enable those pages. Options saved. I think it has been saved now. I once again save the changes and try to log in into my site through another browser. Since I don't want to delete those caches or those cookies that are really very useful for me, so I have opened a new browser and then internet option, and from here I will delete the entire history first of all, so that I will get the refreshed content. Then try to open up your website. It is skyway.reels.in. I hope it will appear. I don't like this browser at all. Yeah, website coming soon, and our site is under construction. The page is under the test proper. Are your site on a, yeah, means we have successfully done the things. We will try to open our website from the main browser and see whether the things are displaying or not. I will upload this site. Yeah, this is actually appearing because of my caching that have been already saved. But if you open this site in another browser, you will definitely get that message. That site is under the construction. I will try out some more browser and get it confirmed that whether I have implemented the things correctly or not. For this I am invoking Mozilla Firefox now, and first of all I will delete the entire history and then try to open that site. To hell with this, man. This is really taking a lot of time. These browsers are totally outdated, and I really don't like these browsers. Till then yeah, when I've tried to open the same site on Mozilla Firefox, the same options is again available, that the website coming soon, the page is under the construction. So I hope you like this video, and definitely implement in your website also when your website will be under the construction mode. So this will be a better option. So hope you guys like video. Until I appear with a new video, I just want thanks from your side, and goodbye and take care. Thanks.